Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you make a 3D text using pixellab. So guys, it's super easy. At first just launch your pixellab app. Now here you can see the new text option is here. Just click on it and change the text. Now after that, here you can see the Techavro. You can just change the font if you want. Just scroll here, click on this A icon and scroll. Here you can see font. Just click on any font you want. I'm choosing this one. And after that again scroll here. And here you can see 3D text, this option. Just click on it and click on enabled, this option. Now you can just make it perspective or oblique. You can make it oblique because oblique is more 3D. Now you can choose the depth of the video like this. You can choose the color or gradient. I'm choosing the color. You can choose the darken or normal. You can also choose the 3D rotation like this. You can choose to rotate the text. You can also rotate the light in the 3D. You can choose this intensity, shadow or specular hardness. So guys, that's how you can make 3D text in pixellab. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.